Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing, and today after a lot of requests I have my hands on the Nintendo Switch OLED, and this is the Zelda Tears of the Kingdom edition, so the special edition everyone's been talking about. If you haven't done so, I also have the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite as well as the standard OLED. That's the white version, so check that video out if you haven't already done so. I'm just going to go over the contents of this. Setup's already been done, and if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button to stay in touch with all the new content that I post on a weekly basis. So immediately off the bat, you can tell that the box is a little bit different from the standard OLED version. You have the Zelda artwork, and you can tell that the game console itself, as well as the controllers, do have the modified stickers associated with them. But right off the bat, I do want to mention something. There's going to be a lot of questions. This does not come with the game. So there may be comments, and I'm going to pin this. This is the console only. It does not come with the game. You will have to buy that separately. This is the 64GB version, just like all other OLED versions. And it has the same content, but we'll go over the contents itself. So here is the side of the box. It comes with the Switch. It comes with the two Joy-Con controllers, two wrist straps, you have an HDMI cable, you have the dock, you have the controller. I would say this is the gamepad unit to attach the Joy-Cons to, and you have an AC adapter. And on the back, you have a little bit more, just visuals of what to expect from the actual console. You have the Switch with a different pattern, you have the Joy-Con controllers, obviously, and everything else. So let's get this thing open. So immediately we have the Joy-Cons here. Let's take these out. Set these to the side, and here they are. A nice gold. I'm going to give you a little bit better view here. Very nice, and a very nice texture as well. And the back is white with this Zelda emblem here, which is really cool. I have this other controller here, and it feels very, very nice. Also, I'm just going to set these to the side. You have the main Switch unit here. Standard stuff here. But you do have this really nice texture and this pattern on the back that the standard Switch OLED does not come with. Very, very cool. And of course, this is the kickstand. That's very nice. I'm just going to put this to the side as well. Let's see what else we have in the box. Before everything goes away. You have your HDMI cable, AC adapter, and you have the controller to grip on your Joy-Cons, which makes gaming away from the OLED on a TV much, much easier. Also set this to the side, and then here, this is the dock. And this is very, very, very cool. Check that out. That is very nice patterns. Much better than the standard white version or the black version, depending on what you get. You have the Switch logo on the top. And you also have little remnants and patterns all across. So Nintendo did a very good job, especially for Zelda fanatics. If you are looking for any special edition, I know they have the Pokemon. They have the Mario, but this, I think, probably looks the best. I just love these gold engravings. So, super cool stuff. Next up, I'm going to get this thing set up. We're going to do a little bit of an overview, see if there are any changes on the main menu, and we'll go from there. Thank you. So we're going to power this thing on for the first time. Power button's at the top left here. And hopefully this thing has charge. The Switch logo coming up. And you have your standard English menu here. I got that, looks a little bit better with all the gloss. So nothing particular for Zelda on the main menu. You have the same standard Switch setup. I'm going to continue to do that. I'll make a quick video about that. But other than that, a lot of the Zelda edition for this Switch OLED version, it's just aesthetic. So it doesn't really come with any hidden features. It is just for pretty much bragging rights and the different look, sorry. But other than that, I'm going to continue off with the setting. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button once again. I'll be making more Nintendo content when the Nintendo Switch 2 is released. Best believe that I will have my hands on that. But on to the overview and setup, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.